Hi everyone, my name is Mohamed and I presented for you the App Development and Robotics class. So, this course will allow to the mentees who will attend to not only gain knowledge about a single field, but both robotics and creating app fields. So that the year will be divided into two main parts. So in the first part, the mentee will learn only about purely like mobile app development, and in the second part we will start mixing it with robotics. So this class will be held in the First Skills Club local and in classroom number 1. And the age category can attend to the class will be from 11 to 14 years old. And the skills that the mentee must have, like there's no needed skills, it can be a beginner, no like previous knowledge about programming is needed. So this course has the objective and the goal to let the mentee learn the basics of mobile apps development and making him understand how an EV3 robot works and what are their components and their different functionalities. And also, we want to learn how to build an EV3 robot using the Lego Mindstorms. And finally, we want them to control an EV3 robot using mobile apps of their creation. Like after creating the robot, they will also create a mobile app that will control the robot they already created. And this is only for the technical part. And also we have the main goal for the communication part and soft skills, which is like improving soft skills and especially English, since First Skills Club is using English as an official language. Finally, now we will meet the team for the season who will coach this course. We have Coach me, Yokru, as I said, and 16 years old, and I'm coaching with my 2 assistants, Chef Mednini and Ibrahim. I hope that you join us, and I'm very excited to see you next year among us. And thank you for watching.